Hello and welcome to this tutorial that covers dimensioning in AutoCAD. I will show you how to set up dimensions and apply them to a building drawing. Let's first start by applying dimensions to our drawing before we have set up the dimensions, so that we can see how it looks like. So I will come to dimensions, to the dimension here, I select linear, then I will click on this point, and that point, because I want to dimension the external walls of my building, so I will click at that point where I want my dimension to be. You can see that you can't see even the text, but it's there, only that it's too small. It's there. Now also you will note that these lines are beginning from the drawing, and if the dimensions are many, it will look funny. So we may need to set up so that we make our text big and also reduce the size of the extension lines. So to do that, we shall go to format here. The format is here. Click on it, and then we look for dimension style, because we want to format the dimension style. So we click on dimension style, and this dialog box pops up. So when this pops up, shall select modify, and then we follow this one by one as we are going to move. So we shall begin from the lines. We click on the line here, which is already there. So from the line, we shall change the color to a color of our choice. For now, let's have cyan as our color of the lines. And then the line type, we are going to choose continuous, which is that. The line weight, click on this drop down. For now, let's set it to 0.05 millimeters, which is that. After that, these others we can leave them. We shall go to the length of the extension lines. So what we do, we shall click on this, which is fixed length extension lines, and once you do that, we shall change these lengths. Let's use a length of 50, and then also we change this one, extend beyond dim lines. We shall also say we extend also by 50, and that's all we need to do with our lines. The next, we move to the symbols and arrows. The arrows, we need to change our arrowheads. The first and second, we are going to change them from here to, I will choose architectural tick. Even the second one has automatically changed. We can leave the leader for now. What we need to change is the size of our arrow. Preferable for now, let's change it to 75, which is that. And I think that's what we have to do with our arrows. Next is the text. Note that I've clicked on text. Now when we reach to text, what we need to do is to change the color. We shall change the text color here to what we want. Let's choose red now for that color. And then we have a text height. For now, let's use 120. Preferable for drawings, you can use between 70 to 180, depending on your drawing. But let's choose 120. These ones, we don't need to do anything. Text placement, vertically, let's center this one. Vertically should be centered. Horizontally is also centered. We leave that. And we are done with the text. Now, leave this fit. We don't need to change anything there. We are going to primary units. On primary units, what we need to change is particularly this part of the precision. We don't want our dimensions to have decimal points, so we want it to write in whole numbers. So we are going to select a 0, which means we don't have any decimal point, and then we click on it. The others, there is no need to change. For now, that's all we need to set up for our dimensions, and then we shall say OK. So when you come back to this, you have to click on set current here, and then you close. As you can see, the dimension we had entered has already changed. That's how it looks like. So we are going to pick another dimension, linear, and then, for example, we can put only this part of the wall, these corners, and we take them. Remember, the direction you put is where it will take. If you bring it down, it will bring it down. If you take to the sides, it will also take there. So I'll put it there. Now I want to continue from here to dimension that part. So I will select this, and then I come to that corner. Not careful, I'm coming to the corner in the direction that I need to move. Then I will say continue dimension, and then I will go up and click on that corner. You see that this dimension has already appeared. I will also continue and click on that corner, and that dimension is there, and then we enter. We can do the same. We can still put another dimension. Maybe we need this time the overall dimension of this part. So we shall click on here and to the end there, and we put it somewhere there, ensuring that it doesn't touch the first one. We click there, and that dimension is there, properly seen. We can do anything we want. We can even dimension this, including the windows. So we can say dimension linear. We come and click here, we click there, we bring to this side, we put it there, we click on this dimension, and then from this point, because I want to continue this way, that's why I'm not selecting this other one. For me, I want to continue from here. So I'm selecting this, then I say continue. So I want to dimension even the window there, that point, also this point, that point there. Then I'll escape. So in a similar way, whichever dimension I want to put, I'll add it like that. And that is it for dimensioning. Keep practicing so that you improve in your drawing. Thank you very much.